Support, resistance and trend lines. In this video, the learning objectives to understand the importance of support and resistance lines when assessing trades, to identify certain trend lines that will help you see where the coin should be heading. We're going to start with support levels. And what is a support level? In terms of trading, a support level is a price region. It's a level where people like to purchase or get in on a coin. So the price is coming down to a certain point, and either traders like to purchase a coin, or if we're talking about futures, then it's where people like to open long positions. AKA, the price has come down and we want to push that price back up. So longs are open and the price comes back up. How do you to identify a support level? What we're going to do in a moment when we go on the actual Binance exchange itself, you can see from the closing and opening prices of these candles, certain price regions that will act as support level. The price comes down, it holds that level, it goes up. It comes down to that same region and it goes back up. So they are very, very powerful to know, in terms of helping you trade, working out where the coin should be heading afterwards. What does it mean if a support level is broken? Well, if that coin has come down to a price that was previously held before and it actually comes through the support level, then it's going to continue down. Support levels are quite big psychological barriers for when we're doing technical analysis. And if that level is broken, then yes, you can see that the price will come down and keep coming down. Let's go on to Binance right now. And here we are on Link on 15-minute candle. So how do you identify support level? Well, you can see here the price has come down, 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 down. It's only going to go down for so long. We're looking for a level where the buyers start to come back in and say, you know what, it's been coming down a lot. Now let's open some long positions and push this price back up. And this is here. As you can see at this around this region here, even though we've had these wicks, I and you should be focusing on the bodies of the candles. We've come down to this level. Not only have we found support here where it stopped coming down, it's then come back up quite a bit. These long positions were opened. Over time, the price has then come back down again to this exact level, this exact region, this support level, where again, these wicks have happened, but the closing price has held at this support level where it's been pushed up again. It's come down, it's held up again. So these are support levels. When the support level is broken, you can see it's come down. However, shortly after, it's then retraced and come back up. So just be aware with the psychology of futures as well, that even though a support level is broken, again, it's just an indication. It's not certain that this price is going to continue coming down and down and down. It's just an indication of what could happen if this support level is broken. Let's go on now to what is a resistance level. This is, again, in terms of trading, when a price has been going up, where traders are looking to sell or to get out or close a position. And again, with futures trading, it's more so where people not only are looking to close positions, but then potentially and more than likely open short positions. So to short the market and to bring the price down. How to identify a resistance level? Just the same as a support level. You're looking for these spikes as the price has gone up and come down, where these resistant levels are. And again, we'll go back on to Binance in just a moment. I can show you that. What does it mean if the resistance level is broken? Then you're looking at a potential pump, a potential coin that is going to keep going up and up and up. So again, great position for you to long it. So let's go back on to Link here and have a look for a resistance level. And let's go the most recent for as I'm filming this here. Let me just zoom right in for you. And let me bring this across. You can see this price has come up and up and up with not much resistance. It's got to this level. People have closed their positions. Shorts have been opened. The price has been pushed down. It's come up to this same resistance level here where again, and we have a bit of a double top, which I'll be coming to in the next video. And then the price really has come down over a period of time throughout the day. It's gone across, it's gone down a bit, it's gone sideways. It's then come back up to that exact resistance level where again it got rejected and the price came down. And then today, as I'm filming this, it's come to this resistance level. Not only has it come to it, it has broken the resistance level. What does that mean? It's going to continue going up and up, or it should. Again, it's just an indication. But wow, that really did go straight through that resistance level there. Let's move on to trend lines. What are trend lines? Trend lines are very important in helping you get an understanding of the coin that you're looking at. So a trend is going to help you understand if a coin is trending up or trending down. To identify trend lines, we're going again off the closing and opening prices, and we're looking over a period of time to see, right, is this coin going up or is it going down? This again is going to help you not only have an understanding of the coin, but if you should be longing or shorting it. What is the difference between a rising and falling trend line? Well, a rising and ascending trend line means that the coin is going up. A falling, a descending trend line means that the coin is coming down. What does it mean if the trend line is broken? We have a trend reversal, which is great when you start spotting these, because then again it gives you a real understanding of the coin. But if you are at the point where a coin and a trend has broken and therefore reversing, it's a good idea to be opening a position depending on which way it's heading. So let's just go back on to Link, lovely Link, and just see we'll take one of the most recent actions. Let's go off this massive drop that we've had here. Again, I've talked through these support levels. We've come to the lowest point, this body down here. This is how I identify and look for trends in the markets. You don't really want to be doing this because it's quite, depending on what time frame you're looking at, you want to be going off the closing and opening prices. But I hope you can see from this that you get a real understanding that even though this coin has dropped, from once we've reached the low point here, the next low point is higher than this low point, closing price. We then obviously have this huge spike up. But then even though it drops back down, these closing prices, these new low points are higher than this. So over time, the trend is moving back up. You know, the price has come down in this couple of hours, but it's still higher than it was a few hours before. So it will take you a little while to get used to looking at trend lines. Obviously, if you're looking at 5 minutes or 15 or an hour, you're looking at different time lengths, and there'll be different trends within a trend happening. So get used to identifying support, resistance and trend lines, because it's going to lead on very nicely to my next video with chart patterns and giving you a real understanding of what is going on. Points to remember, knowing support and resistance levels will help you be more successful trading Binance futures, 100%. Avoid being influenced by big orders in the order book. I don't really look at the order book too much with futures trading because the orders can disappear as quickly as they appear. By using support, resistance and trend lines, you're going off historical data, price action that has happened. So, support, resistance and trend lines. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be putting this together and forming some chart patterns.